This is the layout of a proof and an example of how to do one. This is an if-then conditional statement proof, and it's about the right angle. So let's look at our overall, what we've got here. We've got our drawing above, as we should. We've got our statement. We've got our proof table with our statements on the left and our reasons on the right. We've got our given, which is our evidence. And we have our prove, the thing we're trying to prove. So let's take a closer look at our drawing. We've got two different colors so that it's easier for you. One's green, one's red, of course. They are right angles because of the little boxes here. This one is marked angle ABC. This one's marked angle EFG. Then we've got a statement which says, if angle ABC and angle EFG are right angles, then the measure of angle ABC equals the measure of angle EFG. Now, again, as I've said before, I know you can look at these and say, but they both have right angle, little symbols, and of course they're equal to each other, but this is geometry, and the whole reason behind doing proofs is to teach you how to have deductive reasoning and to do things step by step. So what they do is they give you things that are very, very simple like this so that you could solve it very simply. So let's see what our given is. The given is that angle ABC and EFG are right angles. Okay, and we need to prove that the measure of ABC is equal to the measure of EFG. Now, if you look at the given and the proof, that's in the statement. A lot of times they don't have the statement. As I said a couple videos ago, you can make the statement from the given and the proof. So if you ever have math homework or a math test or anything that says to make the statement, well, this is the if part, the given, and this is the then part. See how it says if such and such, then such and such? That's the if, that's the then, okay? So we have our given that ABC and EFG are right angles, so we put that as number 1, and we write that the reason for it is it's given. We're told that. That's our evidence. So because they are right angles, number 2 is that the measure of ABC is 90 degrees and the measure of EFG are 90 degrees. And our reasoning for that is the definition of a right angle. They told us it was a right angle. So we went to the dictionary, our little geometry dictionary that said the definition of a right angle is 90 degrees. And so that is our statement, and that is proving it. Okay? So now we have to prove that the measure of angle ABC is equal to the measure of EFG. Well, transitive property says if two quantities are equal to the same quantity, they're equal to each other. See? It says they're both 90 degrees. So 1 says they're right angles, 2 says definition of right angles is they're 90, and number 3 says they're equal because of the transitive property. So that is an example of a proof, a right angle proof, with a conditional statement of if-then. Our next video, number 49, is going to be another layout of a proof with complementary angles with an if-then statement. So you might want to write all of this down in your notebook. In case you get it as homework, you'll have the process of how to solve it, or one similar.